Hi everybody, it's me Time Journal again. So I'm going to be working on a next page. Um, so hopefully you guys enjoy. And this is the notebook. I picked a small one to make sure that I keep my focus and um, things don't get overcomplicated for me since I'm new to this. So this is the page I'll be working on. And I wanted to share that I came across this book. And as you can see, I like the sticker cover on it. And it has various stickers. So there was a page I was flipping through that I like. I really like the butterflies. I think I saw something on here that caught my attention. I want to say it was like rocks, although I like the stamps too. Probably go with this. I like the little bird, so I'll do that one. Okay, so let's see. I do have a clip, and I will go ahead and get this little tweezers, and so hopefully I can take it off with not too much messing the other stickers. So here we are. There it goes. Great. So I'll set that aside, and I will like this. I think here will be a good spot for it. There it goes. That's very cute. So I came across some stamps, and I'm gonna see. Let's see. Oh, perfect little birdhouse to go with our little bird. So let's get that out of the way, and then we just. Oh, I see why they have a little place for it, because these things are sharp. All right, so let's see. I use a black one. I had pink. I'm sorry, not pink, purple. So we'll use a black one today, and we'll do the stamp. Get all of it. Okay. So let's put the little house here. Oh, that's so cute. So I actually got this in the garage sale. It's not bad, huh? And let me share that, since I brought it out and I didn't ruffle through it. So this here I got in the garage sale. It has quite a few stamps in there with the box for $1. No, it was $3 in total. So that's not bad. It's a very nice looking box. I like to thrift shop. So let's cover this up so our ink doesn't dry. We don't want to scare ourselves with this. I think I did it wrong. There it goes. Okay, and so we'll leave the stamp there. And able to, let's see, I do still have some washi tape, but I want to do, let's see, maybe something like this. Okay, let me pause here so that I can open it. Okay, so I opened this, and this is how it looks like. And I think it's very, very nice looking masking tape. Well, it's washi tape, but it can be masking tape. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Let's see. Where do I want it? Right here. I'll cut it right here. So let me do that. I'll do it on camera. So here it is. Well, it probably looks nicer if we tear it, right? There. So let me put that to the side. And then I have this. And I know this looks so very tricky. So I'll get back on camera. I see why they pause themselves, because that's a little difficult to get into. So let me pause. Okay, so I was able to get it here. And let me do it like that. Oh, that looks so cute. Okay, I like how that looks. There it goes. Oh, that looks so nice. I see why they tear it. Gives it a nice little, I guess, aesthetic look. Look at that. That looks so cute. Okay. With the little bird in the little bird house. Hey, this one's coming out nicer than last time. All right. So let's see. It's kind of like brownish. I guess natural life. So I have this here. Let me move this here. I have a lot of stuff in front of me. And I have this. Like I said, I think I mentioned this last time. I've been sort of getting myself some items because everything is just so adorable for journaling. I didn't realize how much items there are out there for people that want to journal. So I definitely recommend shopping, and if you're able to, buying yourself just the little stickers, a little tiny notebook like myself, and just getting the journey started. And this is my second page, so I'm a brand new beginner. But hey, we all start somewhere. So this is a very adorable, so tiny. It's so cute. So again, I think I did mention last time that I like very tiny, cutesy stuff. Of course, when it's this is very beautiful. When it's for journaling, and I'm very much into Hello Kitty, as you can see over there. Oh, this one's pretty. So I have seen that they tear it out. Oh, it wasn't that difficult. I was worried I was gonna mess up the little notebook. So let's set that little guy right there. And I guess we could put it here. But I want to do the leaves only. So let me start a little bit of cutting, and then I'll pause, and then I'll finish it out That way you guys can see what I'm about to do. And it doesn't feel like I'm not doing it on camera. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pause and then I'll finish out the rest. Okay. Okay, so I am almost done cutting it, so I came back on. And this is how it looks like. I know some people that journal like to cut a little bit more to the shape of it, but I think this should work fine to put it here, like so. So let me do that. All right. I did not have that hard of a time with the other ones. I'm hoping it will be the case with this one. Oh, there it goes. There. Perfect. There. There. Look at that. That's so cute. All right. So I don't want to waste this because it has nice little music notes. So let me cut this like that. And let me see if I can get this. There it goes. Not bad. Might get too comfortable with this. Maybe I'm becoming an expert. Who knows? All right. There it is. And I think I had this little one. So let me try this one. Okay. So I got this little tiny one off. And then I'll do that right here. Like that. And then we still have this one here. So let me cut that. I was seeing some of the scissors some of the journaling people have. They're very adorable metal scissors. It's not this. So I'm debating if to get some just to complete the nice look of journaling in on YouTube. But I guess we'll see. Let's see. Okay, so I was able to get that in there. And I know that we don't want to mess up the stamping on the back, so the glue on the back, so let's do this. There's nothing wrong to overlap. And we have this last one. We want to use all our stickers, so let's get this one nicer looking. Let's get rid of this little tip right here. And then I think we can cut it angled. So we have that. And let's get this on the paper. All right. Okay, so I was able to get this one. So difficult when they're tiny like this. And we'll do it here. There it goes. And then we have this little last one. Okay, so we were able to get this one also. And then I will put it up here. Oop. goes. It's meant to be flimsy, so to make sure that nothing goes unused. But I think we got where we needed to get. We got our page done. A little bird, a little happy bird with a little branch here. It loves to sing with this little house and nice little washi tape there. So, again, this is Me Time Journal. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that it also inspires you to want to just take some me time as life gets super busy. So, good luck and later.